This is a sneaker wave. And that's the reason why Reynisfjara black sand beach is one of the most dangerous places in Iceland. However, it's also one of the most popular places to visit. First, because it's very beautiful. Second, because it's located in one of the country's most popular regions, South Iceland. And third, because it's been made famous by film productions such as Game of Thrones. Anyways, what exactly are sneaker waves? And how do you avoid getting killed by one? First, the definition. A sneaker wave is a disproportionately large coastal wave that can sometimes appear in a wave train without warning. They're also known as sleeper waves, or in Australia as king waves. The thing that makes sneaker waves extremely dangerous in Iceland is that not only will this huge, sudden wave sweep you off your feet, but it can drag you back into the ice-cold ocean afterward, and the current will be too strong for you to swim back. Also, bear in mind that these conditions are far too dangerous for anyone to attempt to save you without risking their own lives. So please, when you visit this beautiful black sand beach on the south coast of Iceland, stay far away from the ocean and read the information and safety instructions listed on billboards at the entrance to the beach. Follow Guide to Iceland for more advice on how to travel safely in Iceland.